Hey guys, I am going to be fishing the Wisconsin River up by my cabin. I'm going to start off using a Senko, and then later on today we'll be using some topwater probably. We're gonna go for some like bass, anything really. There's anything down there. Yeah, I'll see you there.
There we go. Good job, Nolan. Yeah, nice river smallmouth. That was a good hook set. It's funny because we were just putting the camera down, and then boom, Nolan gets a hit, and he really set the hook in that small. Good job. That's a big one. Ooh, look at him. Nice hook set, Nolan. Good job. Nice job, Nolan. Right against the rocks. What you got there, Noel? Another fish?
Got another one right.
Good for you, man.
He's a good fighter.
It's a nice hot spot, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, Noel, good job. He's around the anchor, isn't he?
Hey guys, I had a pretty successful day today. I got 2 in the morning. During the middle of the day it wasn't too good. My dad got a couple walleye, but in the middle of the day wasn't too good. But I got 5 at the end. My dad got 2 or 3. But it was pretty good. We're gonna try in the morning tomorrow. And then that'll be it for our video session. Okay, I'll see you guys in the morning. See you there. Hey guys, it's about 6:30, and we are going to try for some more smallmouth for our last couple hours of this trip. Yeah, let's go get some. Our motor kind of died. We have no more gas. We ran out of gas. So our trolling motor is our way home. We got about, like, what, a mile home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well.
Okay. It'll be a slow ride home. I got a little nice smallmouth bass on the silver minnow, Johnson silver minnow. And we were just trolling back because, you know, our motor ran out of gas. So we were just trolling and I caught one.
Zoom in on that little Noel. Nice smallmouth, real healthy.
Yeah.
See, sometimes it pays to run out of fuel. Find new spots.
Yep. Last night.
Yep, the spot we were at last night, huh?
Yep.
Nice one, man.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Got on the Gary Yamamoto Senko.
Yep.
Yeah.
Want to get a release in the water on him?
Sure.
Okay. Nice job.
Thanks. Hey guys, this was a pretty good fishing trip. I caught like 9 on camera and like a couple more off camera. I'm sorry about not having the hook set, but I did have some of the fight. So I had like a couple hook sets, but I didn't have all of them. And then I had some where I just showed you the fish. At least I had the fish. So this was a good trip. Hope you guys liked the video. And yeah, subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but please do. Okay, so I'll see you guys later.